एक भी नहीं होता है। और जब कपड़ा फोल्ड करने का टाइम हो या फिर धोने का टाइम हो तो इतना होता है। देखो इतना कपड़ा मेरे पास था भी, मुझे याद भी नहीं था, इतना सारा कपड़ा है मेरे पास। अभी इन सबको फोल्ड करना है। वाओ वाओ, क्या मजे का जिंदगी। छुट्टी के दिन भी कपड़े फोल्ड करो, ऐसे ही 12 बज जाते हैं। तो इतना मज़ा है बाहर रहने में, क्या करें, बट अब करना पड़ेगा। मज़ा आता है, गाना सुनो और वाइब में कपड़ा दो, कपड़ा फोल्ड करो। ठीक है, करते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं। हंसो खुश रहो, कपड़ा। Half an hour of hard work, although I'm not that good at folding. Yes, I have just taken a bath. Now I will make my comfort meal, which is dal chawal and dal bhat and aloo bhujia. My favorite, most favorite dish ever. सानोदेखिको लिएर अहिलेसम्म, बचपन से लेके अभी तक आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विथ दैट। जब भी कुछ भी हो, हैव दाल चावल आलू भुजिया, एंड या आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विथ इट, सो लेट्स मेक इट टुगेदर। इतना मेहनत करने के बाद अब फाइनली सुबह से अभी खाने का चांस मिला है मुझे। आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू भगवान। थैंक यू सो मच भगवान फॉर दिस फूड, बिकॉज या थैंक यू सो मच गॉड। मजा आ गया। आई थिंक दिस इज कॉल्ड सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, इसीलिए बोलते हैं। मैंने इतना मेहनत करके ये बनाया और अभी इतना टेस्टी है, मुझे मज़ा आ गया खाना बना के, खा के। मज़ा आ रहा है खा के। एनीवेज लेट्स स्टॉप द वीडियो बिकॉज मुझे खाना है अच्छे से। Got ready to go to Gurudwara now. Okay, let's go. I came back from Gurudwara and now I'm going to have prasad. See? I felt very good after praying, you know. Today is Gurupurab. हाँ, Gurupurab. So yeah, I went there. And yeah, it felt really nice, although I didn't make any video because I feel shy around people, that's why. But anyways, let's have. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही बात करती हूँ, कुछ ज़्यादा ही, ज़रूरत भी नहीं होती उतनी बात करने की, तो फिर भी कर ही लेती हूँ। अथा अथा अथा। चेक कराओ, ऐसे करो। तुम भी आओ तो। हेलो। So this is my gratitude practice. Actually, I used to write gratitude in the morning, and now I have changed it. I have changed my habit, and nowadays I'm writing it after I come from school mostly, or at this time, because I just want to write 3 to 4 good things that has happened to me every single day, so that when I feel low or when I feel like nothing good is happening, I can turn the pages and see, okay, these many things have happened with me, so I can feel happy. So this is my way of, thinking ahead. So yeah, I'm going to write 5 good things that has happened with me today. And it's a very good practice, to to practice gratitude. And honestly speaking, practicing gratitude has made a lot of this difference in my life. I used to be a, a person who used to complain a lot, but now I don't complain that much. And nowadays I try to see positivity in even the most negative things, and I try to see, I try to find. I have become very optimistic, to be honest, and practicing gratitude is the main reason, I guess, and I would like to give credit to this. And practicing gratitude and journaling my thoughts has helped me a lot. So yeah, I owe a lot to this. Okay. I thought I would not hate on Chandar again, but here I'm again hating on him because he's so manipulative, so manipulative. I am also doing 10,000 steps challenge, and I guess this is my 24th day. Yeah, and I'm really proud of myself for that. I remember my mommy always, मम्मीले अब मम्मी यो भिडियो नि त तपाईँ होइन, अनि तपाईँले जहिले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो नि के भन्छ अब तैँले के अरे के गरेर खान्छस् होला, के गर्छस् होला, सक्छस् पनि होला गर्नु, बाहिर गइस् भने के गर्छस् भनी बस्नुहुन्थ्यो नि, बाबाले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो नि परि आयो भने गर्छ भनेर. अन्त आई फिल लाइक माई बाबा वाज सो राइट. आई युज टु थिङ्क म गर्नु सक्छु होला भनेर, बट अहिले गर्नु पर्दो रहेछ क्या. अन्त आइ एम सो थ्याङ्कफुल कि मम्मीले, आई नो मम्मी तपाईँ गलत हुनुहुन्न थियो, तपाईँले मलाई के भन्छ ताकि जिन्दगीमा दुःख नपाओस् भनेर तपाईँले मलाई हमेसा भन्नुहुन्थ्यो कि यो गर्नुपर्छ, त्यो गर्नुपर्छ, काम गर्नुपर्छ भनेर भन्नुहुन्थ्यो. अन्त बाबाले चाहिँ भन्नुहुन्थ्यो कि के अरे यसलाई पऱ्यो भने यसले गर्छ, यति बेसी यसलाई गर्नु पर्दैन भनेर. अन्त यु बोथ वर सो राइट एन्ड यु बोथ वर सो supportive, and I'm really grateful to have parents like you. Thank you so much for making me who I am right now, and thank you so much for believing in me all the time. Without you I'm nothing. And I was just folding my clothes and thinking about these things that you always used to say, that my mother always used to say that it will be very difficult for you because I was little lazy, not that I was not that into household chores. I was not that interested into household chores, and I used to I was very active academically, but I was not that good with household chores. So my mother always used to say, my mummy always used to say that it will be very difficult for you to survive in the outer world. And she was so right. It's very difficult, when you are not that well equipped, when you are not that good with household chores. And my baba used to say to her all the time that if she has to do it, she will do it. If she needs to do it, she will do it. And when I was doing all this work, nowadays I have to do everything by myself, and I'm so grateful that you taught me everything, mummy. Even though I'm not perfect, मलाई के राम्ररी बनाउँदैन रहेछ. अनि मम्मीले हेर्दै भन्नु होला, यसलाई न बोलाल्न आउँछ, न यसलाई कपडा मिलाउन आउँछ, यसलाई के आउन त. I think you may be saying that, right? But still, thank you so much for teaching me, and thank you so much, Baba, for always believing in me, for always pushing me academically more than saying that women belong in kitchen or women have to do household chores. Baba, you never made me feel like कि मैले के भन्छ म एउटा केटी हो अन्त घरको काम गर्नु जरुरी छ भनेर त्यस्तो कहिले गर्नु तपाईँले भन्नुभयो कि एउटा मान्छे भएर चाहिँ घरको काम गर्नु जरुरी छ तपाईँले मलाई यो फिल गराउनु भएन कहिले बट I know world is not as kind as you people. I know you scolded me. You always wanted best for me. But when people say bad things about me, they don't mean the way you meant. They don't mean in a good way. They always try to bring you down. And I'm just grateful. I was just so grateful when I was doing my work and I was just realizing how blessed I am to have you both in my life. And no matter how much I say and no matter how much I appreciate you, it's not enough. It's not enough to say, it's not enough to, I can't appreciate you enough. Yes, I don't have enough words to say, to describe what you have done for me. You are not just my inspiration, but you are my everything. And you both are the reason that I am who I am today. Thank you for making me a kind-hearted person, a hardworking person, and a person who means no harm to others. Thank you so much, because if you always instilled those values in me, and I saw what you did. And I know you are also not perfect, because we are humans, right? And you both are also not perfect. You were just trying. And sometimes I used to feel like, why are you always scolding me? Why are you always after me? Why are you always, you are always criticizing me? But now I realize the importance of all your words. And my mummy always used to say that one day you'll realize, and I think today is the day that I realized that what you actually meant. And I know you never meant any harm for me. But that time I felt like, oh, why she is so after me? Why is she like this? Why is she like that? But now I realized that what you did for me was, incredible. And I can't thank you enough for what you have done for me. And yeah, if you are watching Mummy Baba, हेर्दै होला तपाईले पनि अन्सुको फोनमा या कसैको फोनमा vlog, I love you so much. तपाईहरुलाई म कहिले भन्दिन हैन, because it feels so weird कि मम्मी बाबालाई आई लभ यु भन्नु कस्तो वेयर्ड लाग्छ है, जबकि दुनियाँमा सबसे बेसी हामी माया नै मम्मी बाबालाई गर्छौँ, तर भन्नु कस्तो अजीब लाग्छ. बट या, आई एम सो थ्याङ्कफुल टु यु पिपल फर एभ्रिथिङ इन माई लाइफ. एन्ड थ्याङ्क यू फर अलवेज बिलिभिङ इन मी. एन्ड थ्याङ्क यू फर, आई नो मैले लाइफमा अहिलेसम्म केही गरेको छुइनँ त्यस्तो खतरा, त्यस्तो ठुलो, बट एउटा हुन्छ नि, एउटा मनबाट एउटा ग्र्याटिट्युड भन्ने, एउटा धन्यवाद भन्नु आयो क्या तपाईँहरूलाई. You are the best people in the world. And I love you so much, Mummy Baba. Thank you so much for existing. Thank you so much for being my parents. And I don't know, म जति गरेँ भने पनि तपाईँहरूले मेरो लागि जति गर्नुभएको छ त्यो कहिले म रिपे गर्न सक्दिनँ. But still, I will try my best to be the best daughter for you both. I will try my best to always carry the values you have instilled in me. I will always try my best to make sure that I don't bring you down or I don't put you down in any way. So yeah, this is a little message from your daughter who is living far from her home and who misses you every single day, but still who feels like this was necessary for her, because without this she wouldn't know herself. And thank you so much for trusting me enough that you let me do what I wanted to do. Not what I always wanted, but you always believed in me. Whatever I said, you always believed in my decisions. And maybe it's because of you only that I can believe in myself. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're the best people in the world. You're the bestest.